So hello students, today class we are going to see about the Atropisomers, that is the optical activity in biphenyls. So we all know that biphenyls means the two phenyl rings are going to connect through a single bond. So these compounds, basically these compounds do not have any chiral center if you notice, but still this molecule whole will act as a chiral molecule. Why? Because of its restricted rotation of single bond. This single bond will not rotate by its own. Why it is showing a restricted rotation? Because as the presence of substance ortho position, see here, the two conditions are necessary for the biphenyls to exhibit optical activity. Because of this restricted rotation and the molecule exhibit optical activity. And what are these two conditions? The first condition is the substance present in ortho position. Imagine this is ortho position for this phenyl and this is the ortho position for this phenyl. The two ortho position substance should be a larger size, that means a bulky substance. So whenever the molecule is consisting a bulky substance, to avoid steric hindrance, the molecule orient in different planes. So this is a one plane and this biphenyl is another plane. So you can imagine like this here. For example, this is a biphenyl compound. If this is a biphenyls, so these are the two phenyl rings which are oriented like this. So here you notice this is a single bond which is both phenyl rings are connected and both ortho positions are substance are there, bulky substance are present. So to avoid steric hindrance, so that the molecule, this is the biphenyl, if there is no ortho substitution, the single bond can be easily rotatable and as well as the molecule both biphenyls are in plane. But suppose if ortho position, if substituents are present like this, there will be a steric hindrance between these two ortho substituents. To avoid the steric repulsions, the molecule will not be present in same plane. That means one ring present horizontally, the another ring will be present in the vertical. It will be present like this. That means one is in horizontal, another one will be vertical. Here you can notice this is in one plane and this will be another plane. If suppose the substituents are smaller, that is hydrogen, fluorine or OCH3, in that case the ortho position ring will not be, rotation will not be prevented. If substituents are bulkier, then only the molecule will show optical activity. So what will happen if the substituents are bulkier? If the substituents are bulkier, the molecule will not be in plane, that will lose its planarity. So that's why it does not have any plane of symmetry. See this molecule is having a bulky ortho substance and as well as there is a restricted rotation. This single bond will not be possible, rotation is not possible. That's why the molecule is optically active. This biphenyl can be considered as optically active. Come to this one. In this case, there is a no ortho substance present here. There is no ortho substance, as it doesn't have any ortho substance. So there is a no restricted rotation, it can freely rotate and the molecule will be having a plane of symmetry. So that molecule can be considered as optically inactive. So ultimately you can say, if the chirality is due to the restricted rotation around the CC single bond, then the biphenyls will become as optically active and it is known as Atropisomers. So thank you for watching this video.